quite honestly, it's been a bloodbath.
And Kansas lawmakers are back at the State House, flipping the governor's vetoes on their head.
The Kansas State House is where we begin tonight. Good evening. I'm David George.
And I'm Rebecca Chung. The first day of veto session is in the books, and the Republican supermajority is back, stronger than ever. Our Capitol Bureau was in the State House all day, and we're breaking down some of the new laws set to take effect. Kansas Republicans are using their beefed up numbers to override a string of bills the governor struck down.
Republicans have bulldozed through every single one of them.
Republicans are dominating with ironclad, veto-proof majorities in the House and Senate. One bill now becoming law would force people to pay child support before the baby is even born. The bill also gives an unborn child a taxpayer ID number, so this means families could get a tax break.
The crux of this bill is what we call fetal personhood language, and it establishes in law that a fetus has the same rights as a born baby. And so, through that logic, you could ban abortion.
What the bill does is it amends current law by just putting in one more factor that the court can look at when it makes child support orders, and that is what are the pregnancy-related expenses that the mom has had, whether it's maternity leave that she had to take away from her job and on bed rest, whether it's maternity clothes.
Another law out of the State House tonight says that the state cannot force foster families to accept LGBTQ rights. Opponents of the law say some LGBTQ foster kids could be placed with families that may not accept their beliefs.
We know there are LGBTQ kids that are going to be placed with families that will force them into conversion therapy, unhealthy environments for these kids.
But supporters say the law ensures foster parents aren't discriminated against for their religious beliefs.
It protects families from being automatically rejected for simply not complying with the government's view and the government's belief about sexuality and marriage.
And another election bill will become law this year. Supporters say it helps prevent voter fraud, but critics say there's no need to micromanage money that helps keep Kansas elections safe. And tomorrow, lawmakers are back to take up some more bills, possibly some they haven't gotten to this session. We'll continue to track the latest updates from the State House.